Hello, this is Matthew Mead, and this is a review video of the new features contained within the 6.6 release of Axis Camera Station Pro. Within this release, we have added an exciting new addition to the Smart Search functionality, Free Text Search. The Free Text Search allows you to describe the attributes of people or vehicles with your own words when reviewing video. This freedom simplifies investigations and helps you to find relevant recorded footage quicker. For example, we can search for a man with a red box, and the results will show images that appear to match that criteria. You can also exclude items from your search, in this case people wearing hats, so now we are left with only our suspect. The functionality also works when trying to find specific vehicles, and in this case, an Axis branded vehicle. It is worth noting that all data is processed locally on the server. No video or images are sent to axis.com or any other internet service. When entering text, we restrict offensive wordings to prevent abuse and promote ethical use. You can also provide feedback to Axis if you disagree with a word being blocked or want to suggest blocking a word. To accompany this feature, we have information within the manual and a white paper describing how the function works in more technical detail. The on-premise web client has had some improvements made to the replay and export of video. We have changed the replay and frame advanced controls to be aligned with the mobile app and improved the export functionality with the use of markers within the playback pane. Another improvement is the expansion of data sources available for the Data Insight dashboard. Both occupancy in area and cross-line counting data generated by Axis Object Analytics has been supported for a while, and now Axis Image Health Analytics and Axis Audio Analytics are now supported data sources. Finally, within the inbuilt Axis Control solution, we now support the new multi-door door controllers, the Axis A1710B, which is a 4-door controller, and the Axis 1810B, which supports up to 8 doors. These door controllers expand the portfolio and enable you to manage multiple doors from a single location. These door controllers also simplify the retrofit of existing traditional installations. I hope you have found this video of interest. Thank you for watching.